Om Sai Ram friends, welcome to a new video about Sai Baba. But before we begin, let me say something from the bottom of my heart. Remember, there is no fixed method to connect with Sai Baba. There is no perfect ritual that you can do. There is no compulsory rule. Because with Baba, it is not about how you ask, it is about your faith and your love for Him. So whatever I share in this video is just a guide, it's not a rule book. If your heart tells you to do something different, please follow that. Baba is listening and will always listen to whatever you say. So, how do you ask Sai Baba a yes and no question and how to get an answer? In this video, we will talk everything you can do to get an answer from Sai Baba. Sometimes life puts us in situations where we just want a clear answer or maybe a direction. Should I take this job? Is this person right for me? Will this difficult phase pass? What is happening with me? And in these moments, many devotees turn to Sai Baba, not for miracles, but for clarity, for peace, and sometimes even for a simple yes and no. And guess what? Many devotees believe that they do receive answers. Let's see how. The first method is by asking with a calm mind. You have to keep your mind calm and free from problems. Sit calmly, light a diya or an incense stick if you like. You have to sit in front of Sai Baba, take a deep breath and look at Baba's picture. And in your mind or softly, ask a question for which you're seeking an answer. Then open Sai Satcharitra at random. Read the first passage your eye falls on. Many devotees say Baba answers through the holy book, through the words, either through a hint, a story, or even a direct sentence. You might get your answer. You might feel a yes or a no rising inside you. You will definitely get an answer. That's your inner connection with Baba. So the next method is using chips or slips. This is an easy process and is done by many Sai Baba devotees. So what you need to do is write yes or no on small pieces of paper and keep it in front of Sai Baba's picture. On one piece of paper there will be yes and on the other piece of paper there will be no. You will fold both of them and then pick one. Pray with a clean heart, close your eyes and ask your question. So, read what you have picked up. Many believe that this works when your mind is too cloudy and things are very haphazard and you want Baba to decide for you because you cannot take a decision. You will get your answer. The third method is ask Baba and observe for signs. Baba talks to us in different signs. He replies through signs, a word, maybe someone says something, a line you read, or maybe something you see after praying. Maybe you will see Om Sai Ram on a truck, on a book, or a photo somewhere where it shouldn't be appearing. I've heard devotees say things like, I was thinking of asking Baba if I should travel, and just then I heard a stranger say, don't go now. I took it as Baba's answer. Devotees say that I asked Baba if I should accept a job. That night I dreamt of him smiling and blessing me. I took it as an yes. Sometimes Baba says no or remains silent, and we feel disappointed. But later we realize why. Maybe that job wasn't right. That relationship wasn't meant for us. Baba always sees what we cannot see. His silence is also an answer. Sometimes the delay is the answer and it's the blessing. There is no one way to talk to Baba. If your heart says to sit quietly and talk, do that. If you want to use chits, do that. If you want to open a book, you can do that as well. Because at the end of the day, the connection is not in the method. It's in your Shraddha and in your Saburi, your faith and your patience. Have you ever received a yes or no answer from Sai Baba? Please share your story in the comments. It might help someone who's feeling lost today. Thanks for watching.